Audit and Surveys mpabwate boigo unit ya K9 nkube kabare solar systems na boigo amangana yokolinda chibesa na guchiena na guchia sichitakeire gose cash management ngokora bare private and forensic investigation biometric and visitor management systems nkwegelia bare amangana security alarm and fire fighting equipment na electric and razor wire fencing ilyokumanya mange mono aliyabagokora bakirisi minga kichinde chonsi iliyonyoro bukoreri bwebirenko bwigoro. One-on-one Security Services Limited oburendi chinga kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi. Biamono kigimo mwanchu murigerio be television ya Ndizi TV ni magaro bengi yandonsi ya soberete sorgonkorwa usi Kenya na boigo ensengima nigo chigire chinga kitirina ende to komerna gaiga a sembeo e television ya nambeyemo elio twanyara gukwana lia tolengete ntwe ebuno mugusi intwe buna mwanya getinga biamono kigima kurumo gasomo gima kwa bere gukurigeria merobiri yeito na gwikabono Chinsa chekire to chikwemanya mangana maya asenchera yubwikirano kigima inyoranga chigagikina boto nyora semetando yeito ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bwiko na boto nyora YouTube na Ndizi TV News website yeito www.ndizitv.net elibono nyale kuligeria alionzi twabikira roro ekera gwatika Chinsa 24 inyora bono kira litukule Jumamosi mahiga yokonyora ekingese gitangani ekyukira mangana maya asenchera yubwikirano nigo tobaso asikingese gikabire twaso ase umurubilyo bweke umbo ni maroba ya bono nigo mbwato mugeni nigamanyiganite muna engineer Justice Mochoge oyo orajire gaigano mu maite na nigo ari omwana siasa boigo na politiki rogo kyobo bunge ekobokose constituency ya Kitutu Chache South bono tuyaliganire kegima tukwanira ali agendereire ekorwa chikura chaga agetwe gwikabono na boigo emirobili ya berige kobekwa ni serikali ejeji county ya MCA turatebe ababunge aba governor boigo na serikali yenene na mangito chikukwanira emargoba ya bono igobono ligongo kobolyo benenche asinchira eye mogusi yende nabokwandese mitandao gusoligeria TV ya unyomba elibono tunyale ko bamo eko ikakara tugukora egikagiye Chinsa ibiri gwika Chinsa isano echubutuko bwalero gendera kuyiriria Ndizi TV asigeka kekerebusyo ngorera tuli tuchakamangana maya asinchira yubikirano Buya kigimo mwanchu murigeria be television ya unambeyemo yomuno wabike Gusii ya Ndizi TV emargobe ye tindi chibweka nigotore na Joshua Auta oyoro chole gabo koletera mangana maya asinchira yomuno bwimanyilyo mangana maya nigotugoya chaka kurase county ya Nyamira aba emisiyo kurase county yo ya Nyamira bakurawa no mokonyi bwomunogeli Thaddeus Nyabaro omokonyi bwabake ase bunge Duke Mazira nigobono bakwanire ogotenwe merimo kuyo kabeire omowaziri bwabachenu ase county ya Nyamira musike Timothy Ombate nigo babuli umugabana wa county yo musike Nyaribo koira libaga eliobo tukibunyale gokorwa asabo go basabire gitambukiro bune kyokorerwa abo bisabande balia ande yake babeire bagokora emirime italimia musakito kurase county yo ya Nyamira job mange na batoroboti orwo asenchera yubukirano
Chitariki ikominemo omuchenyi ogatano na kabere omwaka oyo ekero omugavana bwe county Nyamira amono omuwaziri bw'obochenu Timothy Ombati babete bagusioria amaliogo y'ekimilioni 22 egati amaliogo y'ekimilioni 35 ayo abete gakugorwa ne county
yabatigara 15 million na chache mutinyo tarahera maybe by 20th by 25th
Maga yobo tusuka nukoba aroro ase okwena no kwa malioga yo nigo muwaziri wobochenu Timothy Ombati abetega gotenenigwa emeremo n'omugabana gwe county ya Nyamira. Engana yaberege koreta liberera linene ime county ya Nyamira asabaraina abamenyi bagenderetse kurwa ebirengereri byabo.
The governor should not be the person accusing his minister. In fact, he should accuse first himself.
Bakorono mokonywa monogerwe bunge county ya Nyamira Tadeus Nyabaro omuraibu abale abake ase bunge county ya Nyamira Mindariech nigo aba MCA batago kirine nganeye ase bono bamusabire omugabana bwe county ya Nyamira boigo gwetenenia emeremo elinde kwena nalibaga ase obotuki gokorwa.
That is Excellency Governor Amos Nyaribo as the county CEO to also take personal and a collective responsibility over the matter by stepping aside.
Madawa ndani, halafu tunasikia ni minister anafutwa. So we are following up the matter and our demands are very few. Just one demand, that the governor should step aside to allow independent investigation.
All which was done in the eyes of the governor. He is the one who launched the empty boxes and now turning the sword to one of his own, or one of his making. So we also want to ask kindly and patiently our Excellency the Governor, step aside.
Boigo engana yende bamusabire gokora no chief officer ase wizara y'obochenu Andrew Ongere gotenenigwa emeremo.
On top of the action taken on Dr. Ombati, similar steps should be taken on Chief Officer for Primary Healthcare, Mr. Andrew Ongere, who is the accounting officer.
Chief Officer, who is the accounting officer of the department. The first person who should have gone home was the Chief Officer, not the Minister. We call upon our Governor to allow independent bodies to investigate.
Engane yaberege kwegwa okoboko namenyi be county ya Nyamira abatago kirinege tambokero ky'omugabana bwe county eyo.
Ngakyora aronje amalioko begezi na tori otachiega tiji box ko senji bwata amalioko kako tofulisi nguna bantu banyamira toerezo boke najo mugabana ngwa yakero ko begeze inse ngamalioko abekirunya gitari obikori geliegento tokora torwe fomu galiyo ko saini otali konye soma lazima some you are the governor
getoge tikoru moizonde umugabana kara komo kotebo butiro mo waziri kenenge ntekereke besana atesori atigati aje bwa chipoki chabwa timari yoko ime kayare ngere talengo ichigora aligere chipoki ichigo sinji bwa tamari yoko.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurase county Nyamira Job Maangi
gutigana na Job Maangi kurase county ya Nyamira kubatikana no roboti urwo rwensemeyo nigo togosuka busyo abarai kurwasa omobuli abo Kenya kwanza nigo bakole taro yabo imeje county ya Nyeri bakora wa no muraibwense muske William Ruto nigo bakwanira abamenyi bensemeyo na kubanikiriye buna obochori obonene bwe kyamekyo nigo brachi ukorekana omutinyi 12 nabo igo onde bwensi oliora twali kyakaso kyotaka kubomurai niga iruli liyogucha kubolia ekirogo chinga kecho.
We are going to have elections of the party. And I am announcing here in Nyeri, all members of UDA, wherever you are, there will be elections in December. We are going to announce the timetable for the elections in December so that we can build the party as an institution of governance. And we want to make sure that the leadership of the party is determined by the membership of the party. Everybody who wants to be an official in this party must go back to the polling station and begin the journey from there. Socialize yourself with the members of the party. Those who will vote, they will vote for every office that is available in our constitution. And we are going to make sure that we build a national party that is going to unite the country, unite communities, unite interests from every corner so that we can eliminate the politics of ethnicity in Kenya and change it to the politics of parties around issues, around interests of the people of Kenya that will drive the country into prosperity into the future. Tunaelewana jameni? Mnakubali twende hiyo barabara? Mnakubali twende hiyo barabara? Hebu ni wale wanasema tunakubaliana tunaenda hiyo barabara pamoja. Uchaguzi ni Disemba na tunaanza pale kwa polling station, kwa sababu tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba chama ni institution ya governance, na ili iwe institution ya governance lazima tuipange vizuri na wenye chama waamue ni nani wataongoza chama yao. Na ndio sababu mimi nataka niwaambie viongozi wote, kama wewe unataka kuwa kiongozi katika chama ya UDA, anza pale kwa polling station, ujipange na wanachama. Hakuna mtu atapatiwa kiti kwa meza. Hakuna mtu atapatiwa kiti kwa mapendeleo. Wanachama ndio wataamua pale kwa polling station. Tumekubaliana? Nyinyi mtashindwa kuamua nani atakuwa chairman wa chama pale kwa polling station? Si mko tayari? Mko tayari? Kwa sababu tunataka kuondoa ukabila kabisa katika siasa ya Kenya kwa kupanga chama ya kitaifa ambayo itaunganisha Wakenya kutoka jamii zote kama wanachama wa chama kimoja, chama ambayo itaunganisha Wakenya na itaendesha serikali kulingana na manifesto ambayo nyinyi kama wanachama na wananchi wa Kenya mulipigia serikali kura.
Biamono kigima mwanchu murigilia kera tutigarite asoroboti rwo mukonyi bumurayi bwenze muske Rigathi Gachagua nigonere aringa sumu sangerekano yo asakira biamono oburayi bwe kiamekyo na boigo bwa UDA asate biribu na ndigo bogendrete boronge na kumwakira umurayi bwenze ngambiamono asoburayi andrete koleta imesi ya Kenya na kuliye iraguchia kumubwatisya wikasobo choli bwo mwaka bukiri bwibere na 2022.
Nafurahia sana kwa sababu hapa Mlima Kenya ndio ile pila yetu nzito kabisa ambayo imeshikilia chama chetu cha UDA. Na sisi, mimi ndio naeka ile register ya shares. Nyinyi mko na shares mingi kabisa. Na tunataka mkienda kuchagua viongozi wenyu, mjue kwamba ni lazima uwe umejiandikisha kama mwanachama wa UDA. Tunaenda kuacha vitabu hapa, tuhakikishe imeenda katika kila kijiji. Umejiandikisha kama mpiga kura na uwe pia mwanachama wa UDA. Mimi nataka kuhakikishia tunaenda kujenga UDA iwe chama kubwa kabisa. Ikifika 2027 rais, wewe ni kuweka picha yako kwa ballot na unarudi State House unakaa, wewe unapita unaenda asubuhi kabisa.
Across all countries, serikali zote zinakuaga na agenda that goes beyond 5 to 10 years. And because Kenya is a democracy, na rais anachaguliwa miaka 5, the only thing that can sustain the continuity of a government is a strong party. Na ndio tunauliza Wakenya wote, wangogo zote za Kenya, to join chama ambayo ni ya kimataifa, chama ya kitaifa cha UDA. Na ya mwisho ni kushukuru sana rais wetu. Ile manifesto tulitengeneza ya UDA.
Umejiandikisha kama mwanachama wa UDA. Tunaenda kuacha vitabu hapa, tuhakikishe imeenda katika kila kijiji. Umejiandikisha kama mpiga kura na uwe pia mwanachama wa UDA. Mimi nataka kuhakikishia
biamono kigimo mwanchwa umurigelia kiroboti ekyo nigo kyaburukana nigo nasomo roboti rwa omokonyi bumurayi bwense Rigathi Gachagua neye kwabekerwa abo no roboti rwa Clovis Malala bono Clovis Malala no murikyo munene bwekya mekyo kya UDA oyubono obabolia abamenyi benseme yokweli kya sobonge eliyo goswase kya mekyo kya UDA eliyo kementa chinguru eliyo kwerobelia asobocholi obonene ubu mwaka bwikiri bwibere nemerongibere na isano na ibere bono nigo tukwere na soroboti rwa mokonyi bumurayi bwense muske Rigathi Gachagua oyubo igonero lingeseme yo oliera umurayi bwense muske William Ruto eiranga nachi kumubwatisya goika omwaka bwikiri bwibere nemerongibere na isano na ibere na boigo kogokera oborayi bwaje
hapo mbele. Unajua rais hao watu walikuwa wanadharau na tulikuwa tumenyimwa nafasi. Sasa siku wewe umepata nafasi kuongea na dunia nzima, Kenya imeheshimika. Rais, tunakupongeza, tunakwambia ukanyagie hapo. Wewe ongoza Kenya na uongoze Afrika, na wewe unatosha. Na sisi tukikupigia kura tulijua ni nani tunapigia kura. na rais sisi hatusongi. Sisi tuko na wewe hapo mbele 27 na kila siku tuko nyuma yako.
Uyakigima amurai wense kera endrete gusekera lingense meyo ya Nyeri abamenyi borogongoruo nigo baborigwe bari bari sevya mabinde ko bibuna byonsi na gosoase obomo bwa gosegosoase kya makirikya UDA ko ene kyabuna nkibwate chingurumono eli ugosoa ase obochori obonende bolebosyo na ko ene kyabuna ko bwa bare genkyo kegima.
Excellency, nataka kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha tena Nyeri, ingawaje hapa ni nyumbani. Tunataka sasa tukuombe leo, ukizunguka usiende mbali, uende ile mahali yako pale, bado tuna miss. Ama namna gani? Aende hapo ndio kesho tumua. Na asiwe na haraka, ama namna gani? Karibu sana rais. Thank you.
Kwa sasa tunataka kwenda 2027 tukiwa na chama kimoja. Kwa hivyo wale wote wanasema wanakuunga mkono, wakuje waingie kwa chama, tushidane kwa UDA, tukupe timu ya kuendelea. Asante mtukufu rais.
Na wataki kuvuja chama zao, wavuje chama waingie UDA. Asanteni sana.
Uya kigima omuseneta bwe county ya Busia omusike okiya umtata nigo alireira yogoche kogenderera kurwanira abakenya gakejoni gatebire buna nache kone kiabuna nigarabe gakwira na Busia bwe kigambiro kitariki 13 cyumutinyo yo eliyo ugotegerera ekina ekiabete gakobeka gyo gutanga finance bill tebasa kogenderera gokorerwa emirimo.
Ile kesi ya finance bill inaanza tarehe 13 huu mwezi, yani wiki inayokuja hii. Ndio tutaanza kulimana kwa hiyo kesi ya Finance Act na mambo mengine ambayo inahusiana na Finance Act. So Wakenya wakae wakijua kwamba kesi haijatupiliwa mbali. Hii ilikuwa tu motion ya conservative orders ambayo koti imekataa kuangalia, lakini kesi yenyewe iko imara. Na baada ya hii finance bill hii safari ni safari ya kupitia kila kipengele kwenye chapter 12 ya katiba kuhakikisha kwamba serikali inafanya sheria, inatumia pesa ya wananchi kulingana na vile katiba imeamua. Chapter 12 hii finance bill imechukua tu article 220 and 2.
Akara tutigarite igoro yengane yo ye Finance Act ababunge kurwa sobumo bwa Kenya kwanza ni gobono ba irokoboko Finance Act yo na ko babolia abakenya kugendera gwaka nebango eliyo kwenekia buna amagenderero nkwikirani gwali meyense ya Kenya.
Finance Act 2023 atutapata nafasi ya kufinance a lot of things, and so Omtata had gone because Supreme Court had ruled and it allowed the Finance Act to be enacted. So ndio unaona sasa we are collecting taxes and also we are paying, hizi mabarabara ambao tunatengeneza saa hizi, mambo ya maji yenye tunatengeneza saa hizi, mambo ya wazee yenye tunatoa registration, it is because of the taxes we are collecting. And so the Finance Act was addressing those matters because they dismissed the case to allow the Finance Act to be enacted. And as such, we will continue as a nation, and I want to challenge all the leaders because Kenya is for all of us. Kenya is for all of us. And we want to make sure that there is enough money to pay the bills. There is enough money kufanya maendeleo. Na vile kotini ameamua siku ya leo kudismiss hiyo kesi, mambo ya Finance Act inaendelea kufanya kazi. I thank the president.
Tigana na yo mwanchumo ligeria NCMO yabarai kurwa sorogongo ruwa Western Kenya ni goba tebrebuna ni goba bwatemero bilio yogo cha amo kigima na kubeka chikura chabo amo aliyo kwene kiabuna omwaka bwikiri wibere ne 32 ni goba rachi kubeka chikura chaba sigikabu ekemo eliyo kumwakero yo mobo ko bumurayi bwense eye magega yumurayi yobono muske William Ruto gukora ntunda yaje iye miaka 10 onye kago chikochorwa mwaka bwikiri wibere ne 22
Serikali iliyopita ilituacha mbolea ikiwa shilingi 6,700. Sasa mbolea ni shilingi 2,500. Serikali inataka kuweka hapo pesa ya kutengeneza chakula ya kulisha watoto Kenya mzima.
Kuna watu wanajaribu kuja kutuchokora. Wakati wanaona watu wa Western tumeshikana na tunaongea lugha moja, tunaenda pahali moja, wanakuja wanaanza kuchokora kidogo kidogo. Mara hii nataka tuwe ngangari, tusiruhusu mtu yoyote akuje katika umoja wetu kama the Luhya nation. That is the only way we will earn respect from others in this country.
Kushukuru, ukiendelea hivi najua ibumula.
Ege ikaro kia matuko abereki kia berege kogenderera kurwa sorogonko rua baria bagusumika emishigo se kia Lake Region imeje county ya Kakamega nigo gia ikomoerio lituko lia rero. Abubono abaraya bukuru sense milioni go babere bakokwanira igoro yichinchira cyogo cya kogorora chi company kiri kigo CMC na korosi sukari. Kikake junu wate bribuna nigo esukari yeli gorijanse ya birige koreto imeyense ya Kenya na goita ligoliri liko na nuago cha sabalimi bemesie ye sukari ye korosi we sukari gentu keire uchumi yorogonko ruobono kure nanse kigima korende baene kiribuna emirobiri ya mekirano ya bekiriwe eli okone kyabuna obolimi obunkure ne rabule asebwale ngaboli tangani go segwetania na kone kyamnu mulimi buemesie nere onyolire ngere yaje asenchira eisere ngaine.
We believe that sugarcane growing, milling, and trading is a viable venture. We support this conference and its resolutions, and we are waiting for action.
First and foremost, I want to just make a few remarks with regard to this subject. I know the issue of funding of the sugar factories and millers has been a topical issue. His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, announced recently during his visit here that he has
kwa mambo ya sukari. As many as of that opinion say aye. As many of any contrary opinion say nay. The eyes have it. So karibu. Kuja hapa ukubali.
Like a miniskirt. Short enough to arouse interest, but long enough to cover the subject matter. This is an important conference for us. And the Lake Victoria Economic Bloc was not an accident. We share this region and we realize we must come together for economies of scale.
Abara ikururo gongor wa Western Kenya nigo bamuchiriye kiombe cyukurika abarimu gia Teacher Service Commission asikiriye bagote babuna nigo kyabere gitaikurika abarimu baisaine asigiskuru ao singa kiecho bakemuchirike gima na gwikaboria kubike mirobiri isaine ko nekyabuna abarimu ko irubale sigiskuru kibecho boroso kusigirije secondary elio egosomia abana kolengana buna etakire.
If your plan is for 10 years, you can try eucalyptus trees. But if your plan is for a century, you must invest in education.
Kuna kaunti mbili hapa Kenya ina walimu zaidi than the required number. Is that fairness? No. Kakamega iko na shortage ya walimu 10,000. Yet Waluhya, watu wa Western region, they produce 32.4% of teachers in the national economy. Kwa nini sisi tukue na shortage?
Tunataka tuone ya kwamba tukitoa walimu wengi pia promotion inakuwa commensurate with the number of teachers we are producing.
Hii mkoa ya magharibi yetu ya zamani hatuna walimu ya kutosha. Kwa miaka mingi tumekuwa tuko chini.
Kama wazazi wa Bumula tutilie mkazo. Unfortunately report inaonyesha Bungoma tuko namba 3 katika Kenya kwa watoto wasichana wadogo kupata mimba.
Kangula halali na viongozi wengine wote hawalali because tuko kwa serikali, we are beginning to address those injustices.
Ekero tugendete bosio abasaini go baboligwe gutumike mitandao ya kirero asenchire ndonge kegima elio kwegendereria bosio ayo ni gakwanirwe no mwaziri bwa mangana yoboerania omuske Elido Waro yote bribuna amangana gose ye mitandao nigo areyenge nchomono na abasae nigo bande koirege tambokero gyo kwaneke buna ngoro cia bale meremo na kwenyore ngere yabo ya kiralituko kurwa se mitandao yiwo.
The white collar jobs are today limited. The only space where we have got enormous, unlimited potential of creating jobs is in the digital space. And the beauty of this environment is that as you learn, you also start earning. So you transform instantly from being a learner to an earner. Yeah? And you are paid in dollars. This space has got a lot of what? A lot of potential. So I want just to encourage you that you need to be committed towards this process. There are unlimited opportunities in the digital space. Apart from earning substantial resources of money, at the tail end of your digital skilling program, you can also start your own digital hub and become an entrepreneur. So, as opposed to going to the job market to look for jobs, the white-collar jobs, which today are non-existent, by the way, you will also transform from being a learner to an entrepreneur, as opposed to
Buya kigimo mwe chumurigeria emagoroba ya bono kirando chichawe rigida ikemirongibire iguru y'Chinsa Isato chobutuko bwalero ukiraga bwo nangukora mangana magia senkira eyubukirano bono tumayo so asekingese ya kabere ekyomurubuli obweke umbu emagoroba ya bono buna nagoto ya bulitangani omugeni yono wikira se studio nigamanyikane temna engineer Justus Mochoge nigotete gukwana mange magoroba ya bono ekubatikana nali abere kago korekana kurumwa koria kitariki kyanda ekeroba chori bwabete boko era gwikabono ninki kyaberege okorekana ase ensemo ya MCA bunge bagabana nonye ensemo y'umurayibwense ri yaberega okorekana tukwanira mange amorobelyo inua jamii bantu bagenderete kurikigwa wali abakoroke gima ande yake abande bayikerere bonsi na inde impact kyubwate gochya ase abantu bali abakoro ejo ntoligererie ande yake abantu bali ngotene ndikubalikira ini buna matukoma keiga bwanko iga mbale bako augire kakero bale silaini goika gosirio bogima bwabo bono egatia yuna yanda mange tukwanire murayibwense na chaimense ya orogongorwa Gusii na boigwa mange akabaga go kolekana go korwe ebirengererie binge igoika ekero akora egentu gikurukuna kurwa chipromise chinyinge tulige ligose na kinche ikirana osinchisigo ikirana ilinde kwana kiano orogongorwa Gusii byamono kigimo mwa chumo ligere nigo twalinga na Joshua Auta oyubwene kia buna ni gobono akoletera mangana magia sinchira yumuntu wabimanyiririo byamono asigika gitari getambe tiga turagendo mutumo konkwera tole ndito tose asa mangana magia toso asumurubulio ubweke umbu omugeni yono ikire igobono kwerobuli gwoka na gocha sole sinchira yobukirano kigima byamono